Hey everyone, FabFitFun has officially announced the Spring 2026 Early Choice spoilers, and I'm so excited to share them with you today. These spoilers are perfect if you like to plan ahead because you can start thinking about what you might want in your box before customization dates are even open. If you're already familiar with FabFitFun, feel free to skip ahead to the next chapter. But if you're new here or not quite sure what FabFitFun is, let me give you a quick rundown. FabFitFun is an online subscription box that delivers high-quality, full-size products at a deeply discounted price. They offer both seasonal and annual memberships. The annual membership costs $259.96 per year, which breaks down to $64.99 per box, while the seasonal membership is $79.99 per box, which is billed quarterly. One of the biggest perks of being an annual member is early access to customizations and add-ons, which I personally love. And if you're thinking about signing up, make sure to use the link in the description to get $20 off your annual subscription. Now, let's get into today's spoilers. FabFitFun has revealed drunkelephant products, and these are part of the first customization choice. For choice 1, there are 4 drunkelephant options. The first option is drunkelephant C-Luma Hydra Bright Gentle Hydrating Vitamin C Serum, which is valued at $68. You can either choose this as your main customization or add it on for an extra $19. This is a 10% vitamin C serum that gently brightens while clarifying and hydrating the skin, leaving your complexion more even and luminous. I've used this serum before and I really liked it. It's definitely a strong contender. The second option is drunkelephant Ceramighty AF Eye Balm, which is valued at $62. This is a cushiony, deeply nourishing eye cream designed to deliver long-lasting moisture and help restore elasticity for a refreshed, well-rested look. The third option is drunkelephant Lala Retro Whipped Rescue Cream with Ceramides, which is valued at $66. This airy whipped moisturizer is infused with a triple ceramide blend and provides daily moisture support for all skin types and ages. This one looks really good. I might choose this or the vitamin C serum depending on how the rest of the customization options look. The fourth option is the drunkelephant B-Hydra Intense Hydration Serum with hyaluronic acid, which is valued at $54. This serum delivers an instant boost of hydration, helping to reduce dullness, dryness, and the appearance of fine lines. Moving on to choice 3, FabFitFun has announced 2 drunkelephant products. The first is the drunkelephant D-Bronzi bronzing drops with peptides, which is valued at $39. You can choose this as your main customization or add it for an extra $14. This antioxidant rich peptide infused serum gives the skin a beautiful bronzy look while also supporting elasticity. The second option is drunkelephant B-Goldi Bright Illuminating Drop with 5% niacinamide, also valued at $39. This illuminating serum helps even out skin tone while adding a soft golden finish. I might go for this one if the other products in this product don't really stand out to me. So these are the spoilers for today. We're uploading another video tomorrow covering the rest of the spring 2026 spoilers, so stay tuned for that. Let me know in the comments if you're excited about these choices and which product is your favorite so far. And once again, if you're interested in joining FabFitFun, don't forget to check out the link in the description to get $20 off your annual subscription. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. It really helps support my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and blessings, my friends.